Hello. The purpose of this video is to guide you through the OLC online application process. Before you begin, please reach out to your center counselor to speak about the documents needed and the possible degree you may be choosing. For this information, you can go to olc.edu, click on Students, go to College Centers, find your center, and their contact information will be down here. If you would like to look through the degree programs on your own, you can go to Academics and click on College Catalog. You'll click the most recent catalog and scroll down to find the various degrees. Here we have the Bachelor's in Business. You can look at the program learning outcomes and the specializations, the plan of study, and your status sheet. This will show the courses that you need. If you continue to scroll, you will find the business course descriptions. These will give you a brief description of the courses as well as any prerequisites that are required. So before attempting Accounting 1, students will have to have Math 103 and MIS 113. If you would like a physical catalog, you can visit your center and get one there. Now we'll go back to the OLC online application. You'll just go to olc.edu, scroll down a little ways, and you'll see the OLC online application. If you read the instructions below, this will also give you a brief description of the documents needed. You'll have to upload a copy of your high school transcripts or GED, degree of Indian blood, tribal enrollment certification or tribal ID, a copy of your social security card or state ID with social security number. If you do not have a copy of your social security card, you can use a W-2 or other tax documents. Students are now required to provide one of the following: a current state-issued driver's license or identification card. If you do not have that, we will take a current tribal ID and 2 pieces of mail with a matching physical address. If you do not have either of the first 2, you may submit an Affidavit of Residence. This you can get from your center counselor. If you are a transfer student from another university, you will need to call your university and order your official college transcripts. You can have them mailed to the address here, or you can have an electronic copy sent to the registrar's office using this email. Once you're ready, you'll click Next. This is just going to ask for your name and all your other biographic information. You'll fill that out and click Next. Your address information, Next. You'll select the correct semester, so if you're planning on attending summer, fall, or spring, the correct academic year, and your division of interest. If you are planning on going for your AA or bachelor's degree, you will select undergraduate. If you already have your bachelor's and would like to go for your master's, you'll select graduate. You'll select your home center and whether you want to be a part-time or full-time student. Now here's the reason why we want you to look at the degree programs before you begin the application, because this is where you'll choose your major. Since I looked at the business, I am going to select the business and I want to do entrepreneurship. The degree you want to obtain would be the Bachelor of Science. If you are choosing something like the AAS in General Construction, you'll do Associate of Arts or Associate of Applied Science, sorry. And then the department that you're choosing. You'll select Next. This is going to ask you just some general education information and about possible universities that you attended in the past. And here is where you will upload your documents. You will either have to take a picture or scan your documents using a printer scanner. If you scan your documents using a printer scanner, you simply select Choose a File, and you can select File and select Open. If you are a stop-out student and have not attended in a semester or two or more, we should already have these first 3 documents on file. If that is the case, you will just upload a blank document that says already on file or stop out student. If you take a photo of your documents using your cell phone, you may have to convert them to a PDF, and you may have to do it on a computer in order to do so. If you go that route, you'll have to open up your document. If it's a photo, it's going to open in your photo app on your computer, but the process is the same. You'll go to File, Print, you'll go to Printer, and you'll select Microsoft Print to PDF. You'll click Print, and this will take you where you can save it as a PDF. Once it's saved, you'll go back to the application, you'll select Choose a File, you'll select your PDF formatted document, select Open, and it will pop up here. If you are a stop-out student, you will still need to submit the last document, which is the current state driver's license or ID, current tribal ID with 2 pieces of mail with a matching physical address, or the affidavit of residence.